In this video, I'll show you how to use the 3D rotate command in AutoCAD to rotate objects accurately in three-dimensional space. First, switch to a 3D view, such as an isometric view, so you can clearly see your model from different angles. Next, type 3D rotate in the command line and press enter. Select the object you want to rotate, then press enter to confirm the selection. AutoCAD will display the rotation gizmo, allowing you to rotate the object around the X, Y, or Z axis. You can also specify an axis by selecting 2 points if required, then enter the exact rotation angle or drag the gizmo to rotate interactively. Using precise angles helps keep your model aligned and improves the accuracy of your design. Practice rotating objects from different views to become more comfortable with the tool and create complex 3D models more efficiently. That's how easy it is to use the 3D rotate command in AutoCAD. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AutoCAD tips and tutorials, and thanks for watching.